Hi there. First of all, if you're just looking for a quick forecast for today, you're looking for Noyes Notes and 1 degree outside today. If you're in the app, scroll down one more video and you'll see it. If you want to go to our website, 1degreeoutside.com, we have all of our videos there. This is the deeper dive into the meteorology of what's coming in the days ahead. And we're actually going to start with today. Hi, I'm Matt Noyes with 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Here's the current analysis on the map as of our Thursday morning. A cold front approaching New England, coming in from the west. We are in what's called the warm sector, the warm air that comes out ahead of the storm. That has brought humidity with it. Dew point temperatures rising into the middle and upper 60s. You can feel that humidity. It's the most humid feeling of that we've had so far this season today. Not the hottest day, right? Yesterday was hotter. We've got more clouds that are blowing in already out ahead of this cold front, and already there have been a couple of showers that have been around. I want to show you the lightning prediction here as we go through the day today. So basically, this is one of the forecast computer systems, but a lot of them have lightning parameters with them. I've picked one of the higher resolution ones or higher detailed ones for now. The blue indicating at least an area that would be capable of lightning production, and this is as soon as noon. So really things are on a little bit earlier time frame than we might usually think about summertime type thunderstorms, right? We usually think about late afternoon into the evening. In this particular instance, they're also coming from a different direction. They're coming in from southwest to northeast. Notice by the time we get to about 2 p.m., an expansion of the area capable of producing lightning. Now you start to see it all the way up to the Canadian border, scattered storms in northern New England at 2 in the afternoon, but into a cluster of them that's been making its way across southern New England. By the time we get to, let's say, about 4 p.m., that cluster is starting to push off of Essex County, but you've still got more of them coming together from Portland and Casco Bay, running all the way up into the mountains of Maine and up to Millinocket as well. Then that would go by the boards and become just kind of scattered leftover stuff by this evening. So be on guard for lightning. Keep our app handy. It will alert you to anything that's going on in terms of warning. Some of these storms will probably become severe or damaging with damaging wind today. Also interesting, when you get into places like, let's say within 30 miles of the coast, if the wind can change direction just a little bit in the lower levels of the atmosphere, you may get some rotation of the storms, which doesn't always mean tornadic activity. It can, but it also can just mean more sustained damaging wind gusts. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Meanwhile, the weather map tomorrow, totally different, right? Because it's a cold front, so it comes in. The one thing about tomorrow, just so you know, the wind is going to be gusty. There's a new air that's coming in, particularly in the afternoon to early evening. So I've chosen 5 p.m. here to give you an overview on the wind gusts, generally on the order of about 20 to 30 miles per hour, actually from upstate New York all the way into New England. And that is the changing of air coming in. You'll notice the decrease in humidity by Friday morning, but there's even another pulse of that drier air that comes in later on Friday night. So Friday's high temperatures still make it to or over 80 in a whole bunch of spots. I don't think there's going to be a shower on Friday. It's not impossible when you get that second pulse in the afternoon that an isolated shower could be touched off. And then notice what happens to the temperatures on Friday night, right? Friday night and Saturday morning, you're down to the 40s in a lot of the northern half of New England, 50s in the southern half of New England, but it certainly is a very comfortable air and much cooler scenario that comes into play. Saturday looks excellent. I love it all the way around. I think the wind is going to be variable for us, fairly light as well. The temperature climbs into the 70s. Some spots still hit 80 degrees. You do it with sunshine and a few clouds mixed in. Sunday, we've been telling you the last couple of days about a disturbance that drops in and may touch off a shower, particularly in the midday to the afternoon. It is a quick moving disturbance. It's not exceptionally strong. It would be just enough maybe to get a shower or two going. I'm not worried about that ruining our Sunday. I just don't want you not to be ready for that if you're making plans out in that second half of the weekend. Sunday's high temperatures likely to come also up near 80 degrees. But again, you can see where those showers may pop. Looks like there could be a couple of showers on Monday as well. We'll handle that in the Insights video coming up tomorrow. Or, of course, just check out our app, right? You can find the 14-day forecast for your location. I hope you make it a great day. I appreciate you checking in as always.